Medafo, manemo wakwaba and found bra GCN pages so Muniaba address at me and I'm a digimedi way abroad. And mesters of subscribe to my channel. Now don't sa emia bell on so. Ube a notification and send me a cost woman will be open your beauty and as ube your biashe. Na Ghana they said that na your story na yantas and for natures are danchi and cranka aye. Na assemblies ya assembly on ye papa branti be a wako bank. Akobon who naked e de ache bank for ne say or honoma osie ni sika e wo ho but ona onko yisika or ho ada ne phone so we notification so bi akwa koyi ne esika e wo bank ho ato aso sa mp enti no ye na dwen so obekọ bank wo no akwa hwe de ekoso ho okoya okochechire ma che say enti ase anhye da enya adwuma enna branti abọ no naked say Maba, and the Ghana, and easy, so when you sika, no way to me to be Ashomba, Ojere, Odibia, Juma, no one to be at home. Now, our bonum modern Aya Juma is Sevilla. On or to one way notification say, Ubia Beliska, Wanya, and no to me, a sika, a one account to me send, Jabrant and Echo Bank, why? Just on a bank for Nequacodi in South Sona, where be say, Nisicano, Eban saying, and I if na count ma on your way. And I just say, and some so our brand to the casca, our bonu naked, where you need top, where you need singers, just say, aka boxes, one shana, Kanyamia, or some so a year, the Akama, or just a Nisi candidate. Baby, Fabia, or more bank, one make it sure say, on Miss Cabasanso, Abba back to the account, my sir, the Vecino, and yet, na yen share, and semi apostle, a bank worker.
Nane se wopani bi kire se sikakrabia bia wono wode ne sika kwoto ho wote wono ma abehu no anya notification yeso sika no yayi se ya firi ho nanso wono ankasa de wonsi mu enko bank ho mpo na ade atoto aso saa ne na no wote si bank ho wone ne ma ekoye na okobisa se ede na ekoso no aya se sikakrabia no adwumayefo obenya sempa bia ka kire no wo mo ntumi anya hwianka je na papa na sem ene me kire mo se sabe bonam ni be abodamfo bebre na na monten so a wo mo sentade enti wo be wuro no ho akire wo mo preko amoma hu se enema na ekoso tia no e wo sasika krabia num no hadwen woni na busuafo wo mo dwene mo wo mo ntiase wo mo tiase so wo mo ntimi anwene ho ena ni opani frase se wo wuro no ho wo wuro no aposifo wo sika krabia se oh yenye sa ne jai enipa wa sei edomo ha wo mo bedi pa enti me wo se wo boa mawura me ho efrisa me bade bia me kan ese misika yeyi monti ase maka mana ba bedrusi yeyi misika nyina ma ene me makro atifie me yira dwuma wo ye asenka me pese ka boni dwetire enu nyina me nya bi enti sa na te dia esese metumi ye me ho de me ye bo me ho adagya kire mu ene se wo fra se wo wororo no bo ne ho adagya ya je se wo de to dwa kra se 300,000 ene sika se sei no every na account mu se tu ye se memo ye say samai ne beyi ye say ye de ekoma na nanoma bosomfo wo bia ntumi enti wo de bra face
I critical
eno
run it
I blood yankasa
aka ne boxer shorts eno one rebel
I blood yankasa
one rebel on e shekone mo no
what
watorote abranche na torote
wa pa
watorote
wa there's a omo piano kwasho say mo boxer no enka ho ana
omo pese o behu di omo pese o behu
wo be bo ne ho ada kire wo amoda
was ashe supporter o boxer na se
samum
fita
ya na kam ka se me ma ne say support nka hu
send ejina de opese o yeso obi a no pese na yi yon nti sa no no agya ya wana musa ne ne nam ho na se de be ye betimi a na when de wahye we your friend tata so ade pasha ade pam wahye trousers wahye boxes no wasa hye piutu e de aka ho white wine pa
just say sika krabia no mo hwe ni sika ma no wo mo hwe ni sika
wo ni sika wo ni sika wo bodama mo mamu se ampa
wo bodama mo mamu se abodamfo bebre wo street so ye boa pa ne ye se sentade wo beji ni sika sika no ye
akra no o ha ni papa to say tv and when was say papa what does that
papa ne ba no wanyi na so se abrabo a wo ba beboni ti we wo be kofie na fei wo de amane akobo
afei no kobo nchiru
kobo nchiru
okoya mommy
narrative story ni yi
okoka mommy today daddy got mad
we can to destroy as long as it's not coming from our camp we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa mo say, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Ato Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no Omo he. Where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know money na tiada. Because someone will say the current situation or the current state of NDC, problematic. To me for money bibia mani ye. Adis yenko kunipa yenko share de yen tiasie ye per boys. Hey, let's organize boys no mo jama and the NDC for beba. Ye di obi akokot ye penipa kakra no ma she party t-shirt e de kodi na chi NDC for beko. Hey, enso share wa ho enya hwe ye beko mo fengu ye ho ye yenkokọ. Hey, sa intimo de bia no we abukashi na abukashi eno nko a. Da bi. Nye na abukashi nko a. NDC enye na abukashi nko a to da mo mama dwene no enye djuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odem a mo no be ya djuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen sami jamfi enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asem a kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ya djuma enkosi da ben mo be kokot afi mo wen mugase eko mo wen mugase a afi de mo de to mo. Okay. Now, me baha na me bekasa na se manka me so me party asemo a. Mr. Ayi Kwekuado hold no say president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president say he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting say since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? Say na Akufo-Addo na win ya na. I still don't get you guys. Aden na bibia minuanum we be bia no say ye ntro say ye nada say ye wickedness just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so mo be bia ye bone. Now, omu wie ye no. And almost signed the question petition. Patrotio, I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mu bebre no ye yare awiefre. A refrain idea where you are setting up panel and my refrain idea in term because I would the sumu for 4 or 5 years. Nanyamia da Roma will be a ba. That's a 4 or 5 years. What a haimu I won't go sumu. Nanyamia my opportunity say, Koda send ni payas say, where to me the hanya si so from fear 9. Nasa woko to a bet Tiana say, who pedi or did doom so a ba yama will business say ye, wo mewu ye wukunedi, ye wu just say hairdressers for, baba for, wine, ice water for, ice cream for, ni na ho chire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana. And anyone that was in Ghana, sorry, anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. It is a free sa ade ni muni na afi. Na sen emfie 920 because na Akufo-Addo aba wo kan yesi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light di sua ade enti no owi afi se na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo ene bedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mo a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika. Sorry, omunim nyansa omudibu my name in terms of sika no mo wo scan womo e na bebe di o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika yemfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. We've seen so many people, I know Muska, but they sound some bad managers into no musika na ntumi anya dey and survival omo form. We see this day in, day out. Into seminia, say end this neighbor. Now so see or court. Already know why a press conference say where we need say. O court ya and no can where you home. I feel court as well. One semokra said before court. Na ye nyina so ma no. What the constitution no to why you be chabebre mu agu. And ye ma mo chance say. Mombe amend mu petition. Ye ma mo chance no. Menu aba ma. Ye ma NDC for chance so say omo sanko anko amend ya. Omo ntumi amfa we ni na mba o instead no. Omo confer chile confer dey be your friend interrogatories 12 and omo de buy. Ye ni na ye hu dia judges na ye. Omo boni na egu ye. Eno nkoda nchen. Yiwe ye no. And ye be so omo say witnesses are here and omo wa to prove their case. Now witness omo ko bi omo no said they have 5 witnesses. Wa who follow court case ni bia no me say mentia na me twa ntro ye ni na ye hwe bi. So me metna nka say bi I'm saying something different. Almost say almost the 5 witnesses and a beba and ye tia siema omo. Ebre ni duru ye say ye mbedi asem no na 5 witnesses no afa de change akwa ye 2 for now. Ne 2 no so the prime one say wom eye see edun ketia. Now listen, I have no problem with the see edun ketia being a key witness